So where we left out, I think, let me first pull out my records. Guys, your Google Class Notes has been uploaded. Okay. The running notes has been uploaded. Okay. Running notes has been uploaded, buddy. Your running notes would be updated day by day. Okay. The final notes would be uploaded on the last day of the training. The PDF, certification and everything. PDF, certification notes, interview notes, resume, and everything will be shared. Like this guy, this batch, right? Just now completed today only. Okay, so for just I'm trying to contact with that. At last of the training, you will be given one Telegram group. Okay, I'll create one Telegram group for you. Okay, and last. So what happens at the last when you are, if I'll do the Telegram group now itself, we'll have a chit chat always. Okay, you'll not focus on the training. You'll just contact hi, hello, and all you'll do. Okay. At last, at least we'll learn a good knowledge, right? Then you do have hello, no problem. Okay. So you can share the interview experience to each others. At last. Okay. Fine. There's a question. So guys, have a look here. What is that? What is the PR? Why in the PR we conflict? We can explain on the piece. What is the conflict, buddy? If already some content is there, okay. Some content is already there. Imagine that. That content again it's going to hit it to your by checkout. Sorry, merging. Then in that case is a conflict. Conflict means what? Same thing. We are again getting it. Then it is a conflict. No, whether I have to accept or not, right? That is a merge conflict. That will do it. Don't worry. Okay. Fine. Let's try to start it with our things now. Let me first quickly open my SQL notes real quick. Why SQL? It's Git, no? Hey Bala, I'm really sorry, guys. Okay, sorry, buddy. Okay, take care. You don't have to worry about the assignment and all. Please first take care of your family. Okay. So any type of support you need from me in case of personal or anything with no like academic, please let me know, dear. Bala, you can drop me a message personally also if you have anything. Okay, I'll be there with you for no any support. If you wanted to get a videos or if you wanted to help me out to repeat the topics and all, I'll help you out, buddy. I'm sorry, Bala. Really sorry to know that, buddy. Take care, huh? Fine, let's get started here. Come with the notes. It is. Please reach out to me, dear. Okay, let's try to understand here. Okay, so first thing is, let me copy this all and make it one notes. Remote. So understand. So what I try to say you, the very first thing is a git init, right? Do you remember that? You forgot everything in this weekend. You remember? I still forgot about everything. Can you see this is a folder we have created somewhere? Where is that? Our 9. This, right? So what we did, we tried to right click and open with the Git bash. Let's come on here. Now you are over here now. So I think let me maximize so that you guys can see. Are you able to see? Okay, good. So if you're able to see, first thing is you have to go ahead and git initiate that we did last time. Okay, we already have done the last time, so I'm not gonna do anything one more time. Then after that, what I told you to do, ls for list of the files and folders available to that particular directory. Which directory? Azure 9 a.m. July GitHub directory. Clear? Everyone's clear here? Very good. Now, what is the next thing is code.txt. Code.txt. So code.txt, I have created a file for my check-in checkout purpose. Okay. So how I created? I created with the help of my VI editor. No. We have created with the help of touch code.txt. But how I edited? I have edited with the help of VI editor, right? So let me show you how, because somebody said me like, no, I'm not able to get it. So you have to type it, buddy, VI, come here, VI code.txt, right? Come here. If enter no, the code will get open here. Okay. You can edit. How to edit? You have to type I for insert, I for ink. Okay, please. I for insert or ink. Just type I. Okay. After typing I, you can type it something, buddy, your choice. Okay. You just type it. Right? How to save it now? How to save it and come out of the editor? Escape, column, W. That means you guys remember, no? By heart, right? Good job. Great. Thank you. Okay. So that's how, buddy, see, you learn such a way, no? You don't have to repeat the book and copy once again. Someone is asking that what you learn, you say like something. Okay. If you speak like this, no, your interview will get confused. They'll not take the interview, it seems. Okay. Please go ahead. Take care, guys. Thank you. Okay. So we have to save it. How to save it here? Call escape, colon, WQ, right? Okay. On that way, we'll try to go with we can save it. Very good. So escape, colon, WQ. We are saving this, right? Now, what is the main aim? Next aim is, this is my code.txt is my file. My final aim is I wanted to push this file to my remote repository. Yes or no? Because you're writing a code in your system. You wanted to send it to your remote. No, tomorrow you might not come to office, right? So how to go and deal with that, right? First of all, with pushing any code here, 3 things that you have to keep in your mind. Always before commit. Do you remember that commit? What is a commit? Commit means save. Save whatever you have made the changes, right? If we wanted to commit, where is your friend? No? Don't ask her to take leave here, okay? Because she might miss something, no? Right. So see what happens is when you are committing it, so before moving to commit, it has to move to staging. Staging one environment. Let's see that, buddy. If I have to eat my food, I brought it from the Zomato. Imagine that, okay? So they will give in one already, they'll give in one ball or something, one plastic wrapper they'll give. Shall I use it here only or shall I take it into my plate and I have it? If you're very angry, I understand you'll have it there itself, okay? But that is not a good way. That is not an ideal way. You have to keep those out of from the plastic and you have to keep it in your bowl or like your plate, then you have it. Right or wrong? Right now. Similar to that here also, buddy. If you wanted, let's see, I made some change in my code. I made some change in my code. If I wanted to make some change in my code, I have to save it, right? And saving what will do? It will not work out. Save in your system only. So you have to save to your repository. In that case, you have to make it to staging area. Staging area. How to do it? I'll show you that. Okay, don't worry. Now, before we move here, okay, we have to register your repository with an email ID and one username. That is a configuration that you have to do it first time. Only one time you have to do it. Okay. So what is the syntax for that? That I'll be telling you. Before that, there is one command. Okay. The command name is called as a git status. What is that, dear? Git status. Git status is a command. Through the help of that, you could able to understand what is your position of repository. Clear? What is your position? What is the condition of repository? Enter. What do you say that? On branch master, obviously master branch is there. No commit yet. Means what? I haven't saved anything. I saved it, but I saved it into my local. I saved it, buddy, but I saved it to my local. I haven't saved it to my repo. Very good. Untracked file. What is that? Untracked file. Okay, use git add that file to include. So this is something called as a buddy. This is how it untracked if you are not making your file to staging area. Before committing, you have to make your file to your staging area. Did you get the point? The plate system. Zomato plate, right? Right. Whenever you get the error, remember my words, okay? So you have to move ahead and you have to move to the staging area here. Got the point? Clear? Very good. That I'll do bit later. Okay, I'll tell you. The next command that you have to use it here is something like this. Okay, you have to go ahead and you have to configure the name. Okay, what is that? Git config global user.name. What is that? Git space config space hyphen global user.name, and you have to give the username. So how to do it? I'll tell you. Just type it git config, then global user name, user dot name, user dot name. And what is the username? My name is Naveen. Imagine that. Okay, right? So you have to register this. You have to configure your repository git config global user dot name and Naveen. You get the point, buddy? Every one of you. First time activity, only one time. Whenever you are getting the repo, first time only one time activity, that is. Clear, no? So let me enter that. If you are not getting error, that means that you are on the right path. Okay, good. Next is you have to register with your name. Okay, what name? Sorry, email name, email ID, global user dot email. Okay, you have to give your email. Okay, as a training. Okay, right. This is fine. Okay. So you have tried to register with your configured with your email ID. This is. If you are not getting error, that means you are on the right path. Come here. How to check whether it's the right path? Delete your training name and enter it. You'll get your email that you have registered. Do you get the point? Again, I'm doing it. Have a look here. This I did it before. One more thing I have to tell you. At the part at last, here, if you wanted to get the use of your command that is already typed above, so we have a up arrow, down arrow. Do you remember that up and down arrow, upside, downside? If you try to click on up, your latest file will come, latest code will come that you are using. Can you see? Okay, I use this all. If you down, the which one will pass, that will come here. Can you see? So I wanted to go and make use of for my latest. So come here. What is my latest? What happened? Enough now, come. Leave it. I'll type it with this time. Git config hyphen global user dot email. Now, if you want to see whether what is the email ID you have registered, you have to type this one, buddy. Okay, right? As the training Hyderabad1 at the gmail.com it came. No, now I wanted to do the same thing with my name. Yes or nobody? Right? Can you see? Again, let's see if you wanted to register with some other email ID. You just change with the new email ID, the new will come. Clear? Got the point so far? It's clear? Very good. I'll go back again and check my status. So what is my status here? Same status, right? There's no change in the status because I haven't committed it. I wanted to commit here. I wanted to commit. So let me type it. Git commit -m and hello. This is my first commit git. first git commit. Understand the code, the command is git commit only. Okay, but minus m is message. What message you wanted to give? That is a git commit message. Okay, git commit message. Okay, so git commit message, what happens is you wanted to go with the git commit and give the message name. Okay, right here. So you wanted to say that some message, your choice. XYZ message, Y, your wish, what you want to give, right? I wanted to give hello, this is my first git commit, right? If you enter that here, what will happen? My question to everyone here. We have 49, 50 guys online and offline, nearly 30 to 40 guys are the 90 people around. So tell me, all together, I want minimum 50 answers. If I'll try to go ahead and try to enter now, what will happen? Online guys, please come first and then offline guys. This file will get committed. Okay. Apart from this gentleman, anyone? That is the main thing. Tell me, dear, what happened? It will commit it to your GitHub. Remote? Not remote. Remote we haven't connected so far. Madam, this side, what will happen? If I try to commit it, commit means what? Save it. Before that, I told you something. Keeping in that mind, give me the answer. You are right. It will say that you are not allowed to do commit. Move this file to staging area first. Untracked file, you'll get it. Because I haven't saved it, no? I saved it my local, but I haven't moved to the staging area. Right? So let me enter it. You'll get it or not. What it says, buddy? Same thing, right? Right, no, dear? What it says that? Nothing, first thing is untracked. Nothing added to commit. You haven't added anything to commit it. Then what should I commit? Why? Because in the repo, nothing is in the staging area. You have to move to the staging area. How to move to staging area? Suggestion also they have given. Git add file name. Git add file name. Now understand. Git add file name. What is the file name? Okay. Got the point? Git add file name. Now, dear, in case if you have a multiple file in that your directory, you wanted to save it, you don't have to type code.txt, python.txt, sunday.txt, monday.txt, no, right? So you have an option of dot. Can you see this dot? Clear? If you wanted to commit only one file, you have to give the file name. But if you wanted to commit all the file in your repository, git add dot. One or multiple, git add dot. So why not to go with this simple, right? If you want, you can do it, right? So git add a space. Don't type it like this, buddy. You'll type it, you'll get error for sure. Okay. So delete it, right? Type dot here. Okay, dear. Right? Shall I do it? So it will go to the staging area now. Okay. Do it one more time. It is a warning for you. Done. It hasn't any message and error message. Done. Now let me repeat the same thing one more time. Shall I go with this now? Okay. Git commit minus m. Hello, this is my first git commit. I wanted to go with that, dear. Okay. Can you see what is the error message? What is the message you are getting? This is not error message. This is success message. Okay. What is that? Have a look. Master root commit. This is a commit ID. Okay. Right now, no, sorry. This is a message ID. Commit ID is here. Okay. Hello, this is my first commit. Git commit. One file change, 3 insertion. I'll go and show you my cat file. Cat code.txt. Why the cat is used? To see the content of the file. Okay. See. Why it is saying that? 3 insertion. 3 lines I have inserted. No. I did the 3 lines, right? That's why it's saying that. And this entire one file I did it, right? Only one file I did. No, code.txt. That's why one file 3 insertion, 3 line inserted. Clear? Stop me if you're not able to understand. Clear, dear? Everyone, online guys, offline guys, everyone. Come on, buddy. All good, right? Anyone who's having doubt? Okay, good, good, dear. Now, see, got the point? You have already done, you already have committed. Now let me go to my other commands. Okay, these all good, these all are good. Come here, these all looks to be good. Status. Okay, very good. Right, we'll see this bit later. Understand? Washim, if you have any doubt, buddy, please type a message, okay? Or else you want to talk, we can have a discussion a bit later at the end, okay? Now understand. So this is your command that you have already committed, it seems. Okay, very good. Now let me go ahead and make again some changes to my file. vi code.txt. I wanted to do some changes again. I wanted to delete this. Okay, I wanted to make it some again changes, and save it. How to save it? :wq. Save it. I wanted to commit once again. Will it allow me or not? It will allow me or not, dear? Huh? Buddy, it will allow me to save or not? Sorry, commit or not? Yes or no? You're saying yes also, no also. Then still you guys haven't understand. Whenever you are making any changes, my dear friend, and you wanted to save it, you have to make it to local staging. Please understand. Before commit, you have to make it to stage until unless the changes that you have done it will not be saved. Please understand. Again, I'm telling you, buddy. Did you understand it now? I think you have understand it. If now you haven't understand once again. Whenever you are making any changes to your file, understand. Okay, you have to make it to staging area first. I didn't make to staging. I made the changes, no. Here, dear, I made the changes, right? Here, sorry. Here I made the changes, no. But did I make to staging area? So will it allow me to commit? Then why you guys are saying that yes, it will commit? Okay, no. Yes or nobody? Yes, right? Good, no. Okay. Committed. Same thing, right? You're getting no? It is on the master branch, but no changes added to the commit, buddy. How I committed? It says that modified. You have modified something. Right here. So in that case, what you have to do, you have to make it to your what, buddy? Staging area. Say loudly. Staging area. Okay. Enter that. Again. Enter that. Now it moved to the staging area. Now commit it. It should commit. If not commit, then we'll see. Can you see what is happening? One file changed. Okay, and 5 insertion happen and 2 deletion. Why 2 deletion? 2 line I deleted, no. Sometime back I deleted 2 line, right? And I inserted few things, right? That is the 5 insertion. Okay. Clear there, right? No, it's not. If you don't want it to go with the remote, it's not mandatory, Janardhan. If you want it to local, that's fine. You don't need to do that. But if you want to go for the limit, that is required. Okay. So clear here. You have done it. Very good. Now, the next thing that we have many things to understand. But before that, see, I think we have done this. So this till here it is clear, right? Okay. Git and all. Next is we have a branch, checkout, check-in, okay, commit, checkout, master, merge. This all will telling you a bit later. Okay. The next thing that I'll be telling you to right now is remote one. How to connect to your remote system. Do you get the point? Now you have a file in where? In your local folder where it is 9 a.m. July GitHub batch. Why this guy is coming again? Okay, you have local in your here. Let's imagine that you have a file over there in the local here. Where? Here. Now I want to save this file, whatever the changes I have done it here or not. I want you to save it to remote. Remote means GitHub UI. Okay, I want to make the changes to there. So now I'm introducing new word here that is called as a pull push. Pull push. What is pull? What is push? You have to understand now. Push, guys. If you're not doing your assignment, what I have to do? I have to push you. I cannot pull you. I have to push you. Hey guys, please do it. This is important for you and all that. I have to push it, right? So that you'll get encouraged, you'll do it, right? If you are in some danger zone, you have went to some wrong path. What do you do? You have to pull you, right? We cannot push you again on that, right? So pushing means you are sending some data that you are having to with you to some other place. Understand, please? Push. Push means must always push it like this. You understand that, right? You're moving forward, push. No. So you have something here, you are pushing to somewhere else. Somewhere else means remote only. Got the point? Pull. What is pull? Pull means you have something. You're trying to get something. You're trying to get some record from somewhere. So that is you are pulling the record. You already have somewhere. You are keeping to your side. Got the point? That is the difference between pull command and push command of the GitHub. Now, don't compare this with a pull request. Pull request is a bit different. There's no relation between the pull request and pull here. People will get confused. I know that. Okay. But you should not be confused anything. Pull request is simple. What is that pull request? Only these two girls only. Others, where is others? Merging the code to the another branch, not main branch. Don't say to the main branch, another branch. In that another branch, that is main will use frequently. Basically, merging the code from one branch to another branch. But usually in the live, we'll be using as a master branch only or main branch for merging the code. Clear here? So far it's clear or not? Pull request clear, pull clear, push clear, right? Can we do the practical now? Okay, let's do that. But push request and pull request, no. Push and pull is not very easy job. Okay. For that, you have to connect to your remote. So far, I haven't connected to remote here. Did I commit it? Did I connected it? I haven't connected here. So I have to go ahead and I have to connect it. Clear? We have a very easy way also, a tough way also. I'll take you to tough way. Okay. So that you'll easily learn the easy way. Okay. I'll do it. Now, two ways is there to connect here. One is called as SSH key. One is the HTTPS key. Okay. So I'll take you the SSH key. It's not tough. It's easy only. Have a look, please. But only thing you need your concentration here. That's all. Okay. So I have a notes with me. Okay. For remote connection. Every steps I have mentioned already in the very detailed way that I'll be sharing today on your like Google Classroom. Okay. Have a look. First step is what? Okay. Git remote. I have left out this all. Okay. Don't worry. I have left out these all things. Okay. Branch and all that we'll discuss a bit later. Okay. When you guys are comfortable to this one, pull and pull. Okay. Understand. Git remote. Okay. So whenever you are typing git remote, if it is getting response with some branch name, then understand that your repo has been connected to the remote. If it is not, blank will come. Okay. So let me type it out and see whether it is there or not. So shall I do with this? First, let me clear it. Okay. Git remote. Is anything is coming? No. That means this repo, whatever you are using it, that is not connected to any remote GitHub. Got the point? Now what to do? I have to make it connection. Okay. For that, I have to take you to the GitHub. I have to take you to GitHub here. Where is my GitHub? Here. Let me go to my GitHub. So this is my GitHub, buddy. Okay, this is my GitHub. There is a medium to connect your remote and your local, that is called a SSH key. SSH key. Okay, right here. Okay, now understand that. How to generate the SSH key? So you have to first, let's see, I'm taking this repo. Can you see? I'm taking this repo only. Okay, this is my Azure repo. Let's understand that. Azure repo. So this is my Azure repo. Let's do one thing. We have a two setting. One setting is inside the Azure repo. If you go to your repo, okay, here if you come, you have a setting here somewhere. Here, this is setting, right? Okay, this is your repo setting. Whatever the setting changes you want to do in this repo, Azure repo only. That is one setting. Understand? Another setting is that is called as a profile setting here. Can I see? So here, right? If you do some setting here, what will happen? If you do some setting here, it will apply to all the repositories. Got the point? These are all, buddy. These are all. Yes or no? Right? If I wanted to teach in this class, what will happen? I can teach all the class members, buddy. If I'll tell him to come in my personal class, I'll teach him only, right? Not the others. Yes or no? Similar that. So, buddy, I'll try to apply my SSH key on my profile setting only. Profile setting only. So you have this profile, right? Okay. Now come down, we have a setting section. Can you observe it here? There, click on it. Now in left hand side, can you see whether there is an option called SSH, right? Come here. Now, for me, the SSH is blank, already there, because I have used it on April 27th. Okay, 3-4 months back I have used it. That's why I don't want to replace it. But for your case, if there is a new user of GitHub, understand, if you are a new user of your GitHub, what will happen? You'll not be having any SSH key with you. Okay, so how you can verify it? Okay, how you can verify it? We have an option for that. Okay, I'll tell you how. When you go back to the home page, no, when you try to create a repo, no, you create a repo, right? We click it on the repo, right? So what can happen if you click on the repo? There is a code, right? Click on it. You're getting that SSH key and HTTPS. You're getting it, right? But if you don't have, no, here you'll get a message. You don't have any active SSH, something like that. You'll get red color mark. If that is coming there, understand that you don't have any active SSH key with you. I'm sure everyone will have the same thing. You'll not have. Okay. First time you have to do it. Next time you don't have to do it. It'll come automatically. Got the point? So how to generate the key? That is the main challenge. Understand? That is the main challenge, buddy. So let's understand how to generate it. So you have to go to my home page first. Come back here. Come back to setting. Come back to SSH and add. Ganesh, you can make the use of it, buddy. Okay. Now you take care of the account. Okay. I'll be creating my here. I'll just replace this. Ganesh, you just follow now. If I'll do it for your account, what happens, bro? Like you will not be able to generate a new one, right? From you have to delete it. So just I am leaving your account. You do it. You follow my words. That's what I'm doing it now. Okay. Good. Can you see that new SSH? Click on it. So I'll try to generate a new SSH now. So how to generate is a main challenge. Don't worry. I have some commands for that. Okay. That I give it to you. What is that? First thing is you have to type git remote add origin. Okay. From the code SSH, you have to type the SSH, but you don't have SSH key now with you. You have to generate it. So what you have to do, this I gave, that's git remote origin option setting SSH generate. These all the steps I given. Okay. Now you have to type this command, buddy. It's pretty simple. Okay. What you have to type in the bash? You have to type this. What do you type, buddy? Okay. You have to type SSH hyphen keygen -t RSA. They get the point? Same command, no? Right? SSH hyphen keygen hyphen T RSA, right or not? Right, you're same, right? No? If you enter that, this command will try to generate your SSH key. Clear? But don't be happy. We have multiple steps now. Okay. Have a look. It says that enter the file name where you wanted to store your key. So let me, I am typing as a M. M is my file or MM. Okay. I want to type MM is my file that please store over there. So enter that. Now it will ask you whether you wanted to give a password to check that phrase. I don't want to give it. Don't say yes. If you're giving the type password, no. If you forgot, then it's a huge problem for you. Okay, so don't leave it, just enter it, blank, enter. Don't do anything, just enter, enter. Again, it'll ask, confirm, enter. I didn't enter, no? So again, enter. Clear? So your SSH key has been generated. Do you get the point, buddy? Do you want me to repeat once again? Do you guys want me to repeat again? Nothing is there, buddy. Don't worry. What I did, I tried to go to the setting, okay, and try to go to the SSH key, and from there I type as a SSH key, generate new key. Okay, if you click on the generate new key, you have to come back to your git bash. Okay, you have to come back to your git bash, right? And you have to type it as a what? SSH hyphen keygen space hyphen T space RSA. You know the RSA? RSA, you know? You try to search. This is assignment, please understand. RSA. Try to go home today and try to export something called as RSA. It's something related to remote. RSA. There's a new term for you. It is something to connect to your system, buddy. It's there is some this much. If you might have heard it, like how we have a thermometer, no, not thermometer. In the COVID, you have seen that like oximeter. It's simple like that. It is small or RSA. This is just secure communication actually. Just try to go and see that RSA. What is that? Okay, you'll come to know. If you type it as a SSH keygen hyphen T RSA, your SSH will be generated. But we have to go and give some party ID and add some party ID. That you have to do. Then only finally you will be able to see your SSH key. So this is not your SSH key. This is generated, but that is not. Can you see the what is the message coming? The public key has been saved to mm.pub. Here. Have a look here. Can you see? Right? Now, key fingerprint is, this is the key fingerprint. This is not your SSH key. Right? So next step that you have to follow, my dear friends, are, okay, you have to follow the next step, that is, you have to type this to create a agent party ID. Okay. So you just type it as this one and paste it out. Okay. So agent party ID has been created. Now this party has to be added. Okay. So you have to type this. All this statement I'll be giving to you, don't worry. Copy that and try to add that. Okay. So what do you say that? Identity has been added. Now you are good to go ahead and see your SSH key. Okay. So to see the SSH key, this is your command. What is the command, buddy? Tell and something. Okay. Just type it and paste it. Got the point, buddy? 3 steps are there, guys. What all there? First thing is generate SSH key. What is that? SSH hyphen keygen space hyphen T space RSA. This will generate your Aadhaar card, right? SSH key, right? Okay, good. The next one is how to create a agent party ID. For that, we have an option called avail $SSH agent hyphen space. Don't do any mistake. Okay, maybe like you are writing it, you might have done a mistake. Don't do with this. I'll be giving that agent command. You copy and paste that. Okay. If there is space also, it will be a problem. It will not generate it. For reference, you can write it, no problem. Okay. Got the point here? Okay, good. So this will generate your agent party ID. Next is how to add that party ID. So you have to type it as a SSH add, then $.ssh ID RSA. That is, you have to do it. So what happens? Your identity has been added. Clear? Now how to see? You have option of command tell. Okay, and this command, if you type, this is your SSH key. What is your SSH key? This is your SSH. This bit bigger, right? This is your SSH key. Now what you have to do, buddy? You copy this. Okay, right click, copy it to this, and try to paste it to this location. Where? Okay, paste it to key. Give any name here, SSH key or something, and apply, add it. That's it. I'm not going to do that because for me it's already there generated. My lots of repos will get affected. That's why I'm not doing it. But you guys have to do it. This is just a one-time activity. Entire life only one time. Okay. Got the point here? So you have to do it only one time to create your SSH key. Now with the help of this key, you can communicate with your local to remote. Local to remote. You can play around that. Got the point now? Everyone clear idea? Again, you want me to repeat, or you are enough? You're good enough. Good enough, right? Once again. Okay. No worry. See, first thing is you are making the changes to your local here. Okay. What to do? You are making that changes to your local. Then you have to go to your Git. You are like making to the staging area. How are making? Git add commit, Git commit -m. You're giving it, committing is done. Then after that, what to do? You are committed, right? You wanted to move it to your like what is that? You wanted to move it to your remote. Okay. For that, you have to connect, right? So connection how? Git remote, and see whether you are connected or not. If you type it as a Git remote, no, it'll come as a you are not connected. Okay. Got the point? You are not connected here. So if you're not connected, what happened, buddy? You have to connect it, right? How to connect it? You have to go to your GitHub. Okay, you have to go to your GitHub, dear. Now if you go to your GitHub, my dear friends, okay, what will happen that you will go there and you have to create, you have to click on the setting, profile setting. After going to the profile setting, you have to go to your SSH and you have to click on the generate new SSH. Clear? Clear, na? Everyone, guys, look good, buddy. Everyone, okay? So you have to generate it. Now you have to, how to generate it? You have to come to Git bash. 3 commands that I'll be sharing today in the Google Classroom. You just go through that. SSH -keygen space -t RSA. That will generate the SSH key. Now you have to add your agent party ID. Did you get the point, buddy? You have to generate your agent party ID. Okay. So if you wanted to generate the agent party ID, what to do, buddy? You have to create that option avail and something is there, right? That you add it. After generating the agent party ID, if it is generated, not a public, it's a public ID basically. So if you're adding it, you have to add it, right? So SSH add is there. You already added. Now you wanted to go and like get the SSH key. How to get it? Tail command is there that you can get it. Do you understand, everyone now? Everyone, if you understand, right? Yes or nobody? Okay. You guys also creating the SSH key? Okay, so it's done. No. Now shall I go and connect with remote? Okay, very good, buddy. How to connect here? We have this option. What is that? Git remote add origin. Clear, no? Git remote add origin. Very good. Okay, so let me go back to my Git bash. I like clear it. Okay, clear it. Git remote add origin, and you have to give your SSH link. Now where you can find out? Now understand. From where I can get the SSH link? Where? You suggest me. You guys have to suggest me where I can get it, dear. I'm here. Tell me where I can get it. Here. No. Hold on. Because if you go to that, that is your SSH key. That is for entire repo. But you wanted to push your file to some dedicated repo, no? Right? We have how many repos there? Azure repo, AWS repo, Azure 9 a.m., 7:30, 6:30, 10 a.m. like that, right? So let's see. I wanted to push my file to here. I wanted to push my file to this guy. Or do one thing. Let me create another repo for you dedicated to your class. New Azure repo 9 a.m. July, right? Clear here. So let me make it as a private one. Let me add it file, readme file, and create a repo. Okay. So understand. You have their own, you have your own repo, right? So my repo is over here. How many repo I have here? Okay. Because I used to create a different branch. What is that? Different batch, right? So I used to do it. I'll delete others, which is already closed. Okay. This no? Okay. So come there. Okay. Now here you go to the code, right? Code is there, no? Code. Go back and there is a SSH option. Click on that. You will be copying this one. It is a combination of that SSH key and your Azure SSH key, repo SSH key, right? So you have to copy this. Can you see this option copy? This is your copy here. Got the point, every one of you? You copy this and come back to my Git bash where I am using it here and paste it. Do you remember again? Understand what I'm trying to do? I'm trying to connect this my remote, this folder. What folder? Azure 9 a.m. July GitHub to remote. How? Git remote and origin. Make that as origin. Okay. Which one? My GitHub account ck91109. In that Azure repo 9 a.m. July GitHub. That is your SSH link. And enter that. If you are not getting any error, that means you are in the right side. So how to verify whether it is connected or not? I told you just few time back. How to check whether it is connected or not, buddy? Very good, buddy. Git remote. Now if you try to connect it, no, what will happen? You'll get as a origin. Something will get it. Come on. Origin. Why origin? Because I have added it, right? Origin. Yes or no? Right. So you are connected to the remote now. So you have already established the connection. Now you have to say hello and then hello, hi. Okay, you have to communicate. Two-way communication is open now. You push it here, they'll catch you. They'll push you there from, you'll catch you. Like that you can do it now. Clear, dear? Everyone good, right? Good, very good. If you are good, then I am also good. Let's move ahead then. So this is fine, no? These steps are fine, buddy, every one of you. You want me to repeat again? It's good. Good. Very good. Then next is you have to go to the push. So what you have to push? Good. Sorry, pardon me. Git push. I'm getting confused. Push and git. No, that's right. Okay. See, git push origin master. That means that please go ahead. Understand? Git push origin master. Guys, today I will stop the class with 10 minutes before only. Okay. I need to go to office. So I'll drop it. Drop you guys. No, class will get dropped by 10 minutes before only today. Okay. Understand? Git push origin master. So whatever the file you're having in your stage area, that is already committed. Again, question mark. That is already committed. Understand, please? That is all committed. It'll go to the remote. Azure 9 a.m. Azure repo 9 a.m. July. It will go there. Got the point? That is only committed. Please understand. So let me go and enter that. Usually I used to give this push and pull. I used to leave it to you guys in pre-dev basis. If you're getting error, I'll give you the error to you. You have to find a solution for that. Fine. Can you see what happened? Read the message already. Okay. Let me read it the message. Let me come. Okay, dear, have a look. What is this git push origin? I did it, no? I did it, right? Okay. For what I did it? For what I get write that message? Git push means whatever it is there in my Azure 9 a.m. July GitHub, that is already committed. What is committed? Code.txt. Code.txt. I have a file that is called as a code.txt. That is already there in my repo. I wanted to push it to Azure 9 a.m. batch, that guy. Clear or not? Okay, good. So that's why I'm trying to move it. What happened? Enumerating objects 6 done. Okay, it is trying to count it like how many like changes you made it and all, how many times to make it. So after that, at final message, you'll get it here. Okay, where is that? Okay, the final message is here. Okay, have a look. To remote to github.com ck naveen 1009 Azure repo 9am. I didn't write anything. Did I write anything? No. From where did it pick up? It picked up from the connection, git remote connection. I gave no git remote add origin and that SSH link. From there it picked. Got the point, buddy? Every one of you is pretty clear. Online folks, guys, online, please. It's clear, right? Every one of you. Okay. Offline. Anyone here is here that you do not understand, please let me know. I'll repeat once again. Do you want me to repeat? I'll do it. Okay, understand, please. Need to, yeah, obviously need to practice. I know that. Okay, you have to read, buddy. Understand, please. What I'm trying to do? Simple. I'm trying to connect to my remote. How to connect it? Git remote, add origin, and where I can find this? I can find out in my SSH link. Your repo SSH link. Right now? Repo SSH link. After connecting, just type git remote to say whether I'm connected to any remote or not. Okay, that I did it. Then after that, just write git push origin master. So what will happen, you know? This guy will go. What guy? Code.txt. That is in your local. He'll go and sit there, remote, Azure 9 a.m. You have created the repo, right? Their master branch will go and sit. Okay. Did you understand? Every one of you understand, right? Okay, good. Let me go and validate that, yes, real quick. Shall I go and validate? See, already this guy has updated. Can you see? What is that? There is no connection. Did I do anything here? No. It is done by your GitHub file today. Okay. So can you see master had reset pushes less than 1 minute ago. That push I did know that it came here. Okay. It's saying that you want to compare and create a pull request. Okay. If I do this, yes, what will happen? I want this answer. Otherwise, today only I'll stop the class. I'll not take from the one onwards. Come on, dear. What will happen? Dear, nothing will happen, buddy. Nothing will happen. My code has gone to master branch. My code has gone to master branch. It is saying that, hey, dear, I have seen there's a new guest came to your home. Do you want to take it to your like kitchen to allow them to cook the food? Or something like that. Just example, understanding here, okay? So there is a new guy came, new code came to your master branch. Do you want to take it to main branch? You know that? No, pull request is what? Pull request is what? To copying, to merging the code that is your master to main. My code is where? Master. So if you want, you can do it. Did you get the point? This is the real time. It is happening the same thing here. Okay. Whatever you are trying to write the code. Basically, GitHub and all these all things, you don't have to do it. These all would be done by your developers. These all would be done by your developers. But you have to keep an eye on this. In case they are saying, hey, I already push my code. You do the deployment, you get fail. Then if you know that, then only you can, hey, when did you post it, buddy? I didn't see any message over there. You can fight, right? Right, nobody. If you know, then only you go and ask them. No. If you don't know, then how come you can go and ask others? Right? So that is the way. Did you get the point? Very good. Online guys, what is the response, buddy? Right. Very good. Now shall I go to master and see? Something is there? What is there? Code.txt is there. This guy is there. Clear, buddy? Okay. So you have a code now available. Where? To your remote. And that also says that 31 minutes ago. Okay. 31 minutes ago in this code.txt has made some changes. Now, you might have heard the term called CI/CD. Continuous integration, continuous deployment. This is a very interesting topic. I'll tell you. I'll not tell it now. You'll get confused. Okay. Whenever there is made changes to the code.txt, automatically come to here. Okay. That I'll tell you in the future classes here. 1 or 2 classes later. Okay. Now you can go and verify it whether this is the right thing or wrong thing. Same. No changes right here. Very good, my friends. Now I'll try to go and do it opposite. What I'll do it? I'll try to do this. Okay. I'll try to make my changes to where? Where I'm making the changes? Remote, buddy. You are right. GitHub remote. GitHub UI. I'm trying to do it. I want that same change to my. Very good. You might, the chances are there, you might get some error that you have to resolve it. I'll tell you. Said it right. Now what to do? How to get it, buddy? What to do? What command I said to use? Say loudly. No, what is there? Shall I go with the pull request? Pull. Yes, buddy. Say now. See, you guys are 40 members here. I'm single member. Okay. You said say loudly, then I should be thinking, okay, I'm single. I should realize, no. You have to pull it. That means whatever the changes you are there, right? You are pulling to your local. Got the point? Okay. So now go and check it. What is the command for that? Okay. What is the command, buddy? Git pull origin master. You wanted to get it from there? You want? Okay. Come on. Come on here. Let's try to go with your here. Git pull origin master. Usually pull I never used to teach. Okay. I used to tell you guys to practice. Okay. Did you observe it? What happened? Huh? What happened, buddy? One file changed. Okay. And it has come one forward and something that it came. Leave it. Okay. That you come back to your local. Okay. And try to go back to your code and see. Came or not? So that thing you have to do it, buddy. You take care of this part. Today assignment, you have to do it. Okay. Or no, don't do it. Today you enjoy it. Okay. Enjoy in the sense is whatever we have done till so far, you do it. Push and pull, you don't do it. We have some topic that we have still pending. Okay. For the GitHub, this is the topic that you guys have to do it. Okay. Branch and all. Let me complete that tomorrow class. Then you do it all together so that you have more command on that. Did you get the point, buddy? Okay. So let me complete entire topic. Then you can correlate with each others. Got the point now? Okay. So guys, as I said to you, I have some work. Okay. So I'll be dropping the class now itself. Let's go ahead and meet the class tomorrow. Okay. You want this notes? I'll be sending these notes today. Okay. Just work and practice it. I'll send both the notes, not one. Both I'll send it to you. but remaining things from here. Okay, here. Okay, this will be done tomorrow class. So tomorrow first half I'll try to do this. Second half we'll move to the Linux operating system, Linux commands. Not operating system, we'll go not to the operating, we'll try to do with the Linux commands. Nearly 30 commands we'll be doing into the Linux command. Okay, so online guys, if you have anything, drop a message or else I'll just drop it. Let's meet in the tomorrow class, guys. Okay. Nothing is there installed. Quite simple. Just go to the github.com. Wasimji, please drop a message here. Just go to your github.com. Okay. And enter with the sign up. Give the details. That's it. We haven't give the code. Okay. And you have to give some identical, something is, give it. It'll done. Wasimji, can you please drop a message, buddy? Or let me make you allowed to talk. Do bit fast today. Okay. Please tell me, please.
Good morning, sir. Whatever message I am typing in the chat box, you are not able to see. I think I'm asking question, but I'm not getting any reply.
1 minute. You tell me, please. Sorry.
I'm asking questions in the chat box, but I'm not getting any reply from 2-3 days.
You are not getting a reply, but
Yeah.
I'm not getting even a single question, sir.
See,
1 minute. Can you check it out?
Now also I have typed.
Not even a single questions.
Yes,
okay, then you might have got confused. One thing, okay.
Yeah.
When you're trying to send a message, no.
Yeah.
We have a 2 option. Okay.
Okay.
You have to change it to there is a Naresh Technologies is there, and there is something called Navi. Okay, what is my name?
It is showing me direct message. Naresh Technologies.
Hold on here. Okay, you have to choose their option as a Naveen sir. Okay.
Okay.
Then the message will come to me.
Okay.
If you send that message to Naresh Technology, that is going to IT guys. So
okay.
How they can reply back to you, buddy? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Please drop a message to me. I'll drop it now. If you have anything urgent, drop a message. If not, then we can resolve it tomorrow. Is it okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Fine. So same applies to you also. Let's drop the call here now. If you have anything urgent, drop a message. If not, we'll see tomorrow. Clear?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Fine, guys. Okay, I'll be topping up. Let's meet tomorrow class. Okay. I'll be dropping this notes to your Google Classroom. Please refer over there. Please practice this. Assignment will be given tomorrow. Assignment is what? Same thing you have to do it. That is assignment, no? So that you do the same thing, whatever discussed today class. Tomorrow we'll discuss some other topics and then we move. Okay. Fine. Thank you so much for joining. Let's wind the call. Yes, that is the command is different, buddy. Okay. Right. Why do you want to try everything every time as a Git? We are not trying GitHub. The reason for that is GitHub is a product of Git company. Okay, is that there is a startup command. Okay, that's why we have to type GitHub, Git, not the GitHub. Okay. What should you? I have got the point, I guess. Okay, no? Fine. Thank you so much for joining.